In this video tutorial, we will show you how to encrypt an external hard drive on Windows 11 with BestCrypt. BestCrypt Volume Encryption is a unique tool for superior whole disk encryption. With BestCrypt, you can encrypt old MS-DOS-style partitions residing on multiple physical disk devices. For example, spanned, striped, mirrored, or RAID 5 volumes. It also supports MBR and GPT partitions. Open BestCrypt Volume Encryption. Make sure to run the software as administrator. If this message appears, click Run as administrator. You will be asked for elevation. Click Yes. BestCrypt now presents a simple and easy interface for basic users. In the section for removable drives, you can find the external drives plugged into your system. Select the drive you want to encrypt and click Encrypt. Select an encryption algorithm and choose a password. Then click Encrypt. The encryption process has now started. The time it will take to complete the encryption process depends on the size of your volume and the hardware setup. You can always stop the encryption process in the middle and continue later. When you have other volumes you need to protect with encryption, just repeat the same process. Congratulations! You have successfully encrypted your external drive on Windows 11 with BestCrypt. Thank you for watching. We hope you will be satisfied with our software.